In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display YouTube chat with OBS Studio custom docs. By the end, you'll have your live YouTube chat showing right inside OBS through a browser source so you can monitor conversations and bring them on screen while you stream. Start by opening the Streamlabs dashboard in your browser. If you're prompted to sign in, make sure you're using the same account that's connected to your YouTube channel. Once you're in, look for the widgets section and open Chatbox. This is the tool that generates a live chat overlay as a shareable URL. Inside the Chatbox settings, select YouTube as the platform. This tells Streamlabs to listen to your YouTube live chat rather than any other service. It's easy to miss, so double check that YouTube is highlighted before moving on. Next, find the option that exposes the widget URL and click the button to copy it. You'll usually see a click to copy widget URL control followed by a confirmation that it has been copied. That URL is the key. Keep it handy, but don't share it publicly since it links directly to your chat overlay. Now switch over to OBS Studio and go to the scene where you want the chat to appear. In the Sources panel, click the plus icon and choose Browser Source. Give it a clear name like YouTube Chat so you can find it later, then click OK to open its properties. In the browser source properties, paste the Streamlabs widget URL into the URL field. Set an appropriate width and height for your layout. If you want a narrow sidebar chat, try a taller height and a smaller width, for example, a slim column on the right side of your canvas. You can always resize it later directly on the canvas by dragging the red handles, but setting a good starting size here helps with crisp text. Back in the Streamlabs chatbox settings, customize the look. Set the background to transparent so it blends seamlessly over your scene, and adjust font size for readability. Larger fonts improve legibility at a distance, especially if your canvas is 1080p or 4K. Save your changes in Streamlabs, then return to OBS. If the style doesn't update immediately, open the browser source properties and refresh it so the latest settings apply. Position the chat in OBS where it's easy for you to monitor and for viewers to read if you're displaying it on stream. That's it. Your YouTube chat now appears in OBS through a browser source styled from Streamlabs, ready for your next live session.